In this video, we're going to show you how you can use ChatGPT to help you make better videos as a video creator.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the Filmstock YouTube channel. We are Chris and Christina. We are here to help you make better videos and empower your inner video creator.
Just before we get started with this one, make sure to hit the subscribe button below so you don't miss any future videos just like this one.
If you haven't heard about ChatGPT yet, then you're probably about to be shocked. ChatGPT is a powerful AI tool that can help you with almost anything, like writing stories, creating social media posts, and even writing code.
And it can also help you make better videos. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, ChatGPT can help you take your video production to the next level. One of the ways ChatGPT can help you make better videos is by helping you find ideas for your videos.
No matter what niche you are in, ChatGPT can give you a list of ideas to help you plan and create your content. You can ask ChatGPT something like, "Give me a list of YouTube video ideas about video editing," to get a list of video ideas in the video editing niche. Now, of course, you can spend some time thinking of video ideas yourself, but using ChatGPT to help you may provide some different insights that you might never have thought of before. ChatGPT is essentially using data to come up with these video topics, so it will approach it with a completely different thinking process. This can be a great creative assistant for you. If you see a topic or idea that you like, you can then ask ChatGPT to take it even further. Give me 5 YouTube videos on number 1. It really makes the planning process super quick and efficient, and allows you to find inspiration from so many different topics and angles. Find the best ideas and create your own videos around them.
When you have come up with the idea for your next video, ChatGPT can also help you with your script by giving you some key points to talk about.
You can ask ChatGPT to create the entire script at once by typing something like this. Then it will write the entire YouTube video script for you with all the points that you need. So for this video idea, ChatGPT has given me so many points to talk about, as well as some of the details about those points. You could also use ChatGPT to write a longer, more detailed intro. So ask ChatGPT to write the intro separately. It will produce a lengthy script, but it is written in quite a generic voice, because remember, it is AI. You can then ask ChatGPT to summarize the intro into bullet points, or summarize in a more conversational tone. The tone will then sound more like a speaking conversation, but I really encourage you not to just copy and paste. This will show no personality, and as a content creator, we really want to be individuals. So I recommend using ChatGPT to help you with structure and topics, but use that information and make it your own and true to yourself.
With a simple click, you can turn that video script into a paragraph for your description.
All I need to do is ask ChatGPT, "Now summarize this video into a video description." And there you have a ready-made description for your video summarizing exactly what the video is about and the topics you will cover. It also includes all the main keywords that YouTube will need for their analytics. Now that ChatGPT has helped you create your video, you will need to find a software to edit it. You can quickly ask ChatGPT to recommend a top-rated, free, or beginner-friendly video editing software. So let's ask, "Show me beginner-friendly video editing software." And you can see ChatGPT has produced the best choice, Filmora, and even gives you some more details about the tools and features you can use to make great videos. Depending on your video niche, I'm sure you will have some other questions to ask, but ChatGPT is there to help you. So those are just a few ways that ChatGPT can help you with your video production, but of course the possibilities are endless.
It is a little crazy. So hopefully this one was helpful for some of you, and before we finish, make sure to hit the subscribe button below so you don't miss any future tips and tricks videos just like this one.
Have fun using ChatGPT as your own little assistant, keep creating, and we will see you in the next one.